Inom na ba kayo ng soft drinks? Alam nyo na ba yung mga bote na ginagamit doon? Can you explain, sir, what material this is?
So, ito yung mga glass natin na ginamit dito is ito yung sa mga soft drinks na bottled soft drinks na ininom natin. Ano? So, yun. Ito siya. But it's not recycled. Hindi siya recycled. Ano? So, nag-form siya ng crystal bricks. So, ito.
This is crystal bricks. Anong size na ito, sir?
The size is 200 mm by 100 and yung thickness niya is 50. And yun, marami tayong designs dyan. And pwede nyo siyang i-check. Different designs, different measurements. Ayan. Meron tayo dito mga with reinforcement. So, we recommend to use with may mga reinforcement pag 2.5 yung ating wall measurement.
So, usually ito sa interior partition, right?
Interior and exterior naman.
Interior and
Yep.
exterior.
Then we have yung special glue for this. So, maganda siya at matibay. Yun yung pwede nyo gamitin for installing this crystal bricks.
It's like a decorative glass block na din. Okay, so mga kabahay, baka gusto nyo ma-obscure yung view nyo para hindi kayo nakikita kagad sa loob ng kwarto.
Natural sunlight from outdoor.
You can use that. Join our Kabahay Community Facebook group to learn more.